I just cleared a F21 error by cleaning the front drain and filter. The machine did a 14-minute spin cycle and now is flashing F33. The door won't open. What do I need to do to clear it up and get my clothes out of the washer? It is a Maytag Epic C washer and is about 11 years old.
Hello, please provide me with the model number of the unit you are needing help with so that I can give you model-specific information. Thank you for your patience.
Where do I find that? I think it is W1000719 Maytag Epic C. Maytag Epic C. You there?
The F33 error is a communication error from the drain pump to the central control unit. You will need to check the wiring connections at the pump and the main board. Here is the layout of the parts on the washer so you will know where they are located. Click here if the wiring is okay. The drain pump will need to be replaced. The door will not open if there is water in the washer for safety reasons. If you have to open the door, you will need to drain the water first at the drain pump filter. If there is no water in the unit, then kill power to it for about 5 minutes, restore power and hit the cancel/stop button and give it a second and the door should unlock. If it does not unlock, you can manually release the door by killing power to the unit. Remove the bottom access panel on the washer and put your arm up the right inside of the washer to the bottom of the door lock assembly. There is a round tab at the bottom of the lock assembly. Pull down on that tab and it will unlock the door. Thank you.
Thank you. I was able to at least get my clothes out of the washer. It just keeps giving the F33 error at the end of the cycle. Again, thank you very much. You were a great help.
You are welcome. That is most likely going to be a bad pump, but it could be a bad CCU or a wiring issue as well. You will need a meter and know how to use one at this point to figure out which is the issue. If you do, let me know and I can give you instructions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.